RIUGOR RG-272 electric vehicle main reducer, input speed 12,000 air per minute, input torque 420 Nm, reduction ratio 1 minute 16 seconds and 8 milliseconds, stable and efficient power transmission. With a vehicle load capacity of 6 tons and rear axle load of 4.5 tons, the RG-272 is ideally suited for light trucks, small trucks heavy load, and passenger buses. Toyota provides continuous and reliable performance support. The RG-272 main reducer's glue application process is precisely controlled, improving sealant reliability and assembly quality, meeting the strict sealant requirements of electric vehicle drivetrain components.